Okay, let's take a look at number 17. Now that we're dealing with parabolas, we need to just understand a couple things here. So again, the idea is that you have a vertex of the parabola, that on one side of it you're going to have the focus, and equidistant on the other side you have the directrix, that the vertex always opens in such a way that the focus is in the cup or the mouth of that parabola, and P is the directed distance from the vertex to the focus. So if P is positive, it opens right or up. If P is negative, it opens left or down. And remember, if it's x squared, it's going to open up or down. And if it's a y squared, it's going to open right or left. Okay, so with that in mind, let's go ahead and jump into these four problems here, 17 through 20. So here we are starting off in all of these, the vertex is at the origin, and the focus in this case here is -3/4. So if you sketch it real quick here, so vertex is here at the origin, and -3/4, here's my focus, then I should be able to see that this is going to open to the left. And P would be the distance, and so in this case here, P is going to be -3/4. So my equation, because it opens left, is y squared equals 4 times P times x. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times -3, or times 3, the negated, or however you want to do it, we get -3x. All right, number 18. Again, vertex at the origin. Directrix is now y equals 3. So y equals 3 is a horizontal line up here. There's y equals 3. So that must mean, since that distance is 3, then that must mean the focus is going to be 3 on the other side of the vertex. So again, all I need is P, which is the distance from the vertex to the focus. So P is going to be -3. Now again, because the vertex is here and the focus is down below, then that means I know that my parabola is going to open down. So that means it's an x squared equals 4 times P times y. So x squared equals -12y. Number 19. Again, vertex at the origin. X equals -2 is a vertical line. And so therefore, x, the 2 to the right from that should be my focus. And so my parabola opens to the right. So there's a lot there. This opens right, and P is going to be +2, the distance from the vertex to the focus. So therefore, we're looking at y squared equals 4 times P times x. So y squared equals 8x. In number 20, vertex at the origin again, and we have a horizontal axis. The axis is that line that goes right down through the middle of the parabola, also known as the axis of symmetry. So if I have here a horizontal axis, then that means that my axis runs down right along the x-axis, and therefore my parabola is going to open to the right or to the left. And so if we have the point -2, 6 on our parabola, then that must mean our parabola does open to the left. So what I know is I know my equation is going to be y squared equals 4px. Problem is there's no way for me to find p because I don't know where the focus is. I do know a point. I do know an x and a y value. So I'm going to put y in. I'm going to put x in. I'm going to solve this equation. And I get p is equal to -9/2. So y equals 4 times -9 over 2 p for this one. All right, we'll continue on with 21 in the next video.